Across central Arkansas during the mid-morning hours, and we've already had over an inch of rain in many areas in central Arkansas, and even over 2 inches of rain, especially just north of the Little Rock area around Conway, Faulkner County, back towards Perry County, and towards Lake Washita areas. Radar estimates in this bright green area over 2 inches in some spots, and we have more heavy rain, one more round of some heavy rain and some thunderstorms moving on through. So we're talking about still the possibility of an inch, possibly locally 2 inches of rain across parts of eastern Arkansas. The heaviest rain has already come to an end across western portions of the state. We still have that flash flood watch in effect for central and eastern Arkansas. That goes through early tomorrow morning. Taking a look at the wide view at the radar, you can see area of rain and also some thunderstorms where you see that bright orange, and where you see the pink, that's where temperatures are still pretty close to the freezing mark. Now we'll start with central Arkansas, including the Little Rock area. A little bit of a break right now. It won't last very long. We've had that persistent heavy rain just north of the Conway area over towards Center Ridge, back down close to Danville around Yell County, and stretching back southward across parts of west central Arkansas. But you can see that heavy rain now, which has temporarily shifted north of the Conway area, so you're getting a little bit of a break, but some heavy rain, some thunder and lightning from Morrilton back over towards parts of Perry County, and then through parts of west central Arkansas, now moving into the Lake Washita area of Garland County. This will move towards Hot Springs as well as Lake Hamilton. Expect some heavy downpours as well as some lightning and thunder, and that extends back farther towards the south, including Pike County, moving towards the Glenwood area. That's going to move into parts of Clark County as well as Hot Spring County, including the Bismarck area within the next hour or so. Northern Arkansas, that's where we still have a bit of a concern for some freezing rain, although temperatures have been creeping a little bit warmer during the evening hours. So in the next hour or two, temperatures will warm above freezing even at the highest elevations, and then actually the ice will not accumulate anymore. It'll actually start to melt. But in the higher elevations, especially Boone as well as parts of Newton and Searcy counties, those areas in the purple here, that's where the winter weather advisory has been upgraded to an ice storm warning. That's because some of the higher elevations in those counties, we've had some fairly significant ice accumulations over 1/4 of an inch in some spots. Otherwise, in the advisory area, icing has been pretty minimal, and it's pretty much coming to an end with temperatures above freezing in many spots across northern Arkansas. But you can see that area of rain now pushing towards the north and east as this system starts to move northeast away from us. Temperatures near below freezing across northern Arkansas on the cold side of the system, warmer air well to the south and east. Right now across northern Arkansas, 32 in Harrison, 32 in Mountain Home, but notice Clinton at 37, safely above freezing, as well as Batesville at 37. 38 around Russellville, temperatures in the mid-30s to even low 40s across central Arkansas, and in the upper 30s to low 40s south. So no ice problems aside from some of the higher elevations in northern Arkansas. Right now, Little Rock area, Crane current conditions camera still showing some rain coming on down. It's light for the most part, but we'll have another round of some heavy rain and some thunder coming through a little bit later on. 36 degrees, still feels like 28 because of that wind. So take a look at our forecast satellite and radar. Here's the good news. The rain starts to push east as area of low pressure moves along a front, and then we get some drier air moving on in. That means we start to clear out. So the morning drive, yeah, it could be a couple of leftover light showers, nothing too bad. And then as we go into the afternoon, we get into some sunshine, we warm up. Doesn't last long because even though that front pushes more towards the south and east, it pushes back towards the north as we get towards Thursday night and Friday. And that's going to bring some rain back into the area, especially as we get towards late Thursday night into Friday. And then Saturday, we have a stronger system approach from the plain states. Out ahead of it, we get a burst of warm southerly winds from the Gulf of Mexico, and that's going to put some energy into these storms. They'll be able to tap into that moisture, and the possibility will be for some strong, possibly some severe thunderstorms on Saturday. Not really all that confident of the timing right now. If the storms race through during the morning hours, that would lessen the severe threat. But if the system slows down a little bit, then we could get some daytime heating and drive some more powerful storms during the afternoon. So Saturday right now is a day to watch. So as we take a look at tomorrow morning, showers coming to an end. Chilly temperatures in the upper 30s, actually warmer than they are now. We clear out a bit. Highs in the 50s during the afternoon, back down into the low 40s for the evening hours, mainly clear skies. Showers return late Thursday. Friday, some showers around. Saturday, some storms becoming windy ahead of that system. Breezy, a bit cooler on Sunday. We dry out for the early part of next week. So an unsettled pattern continues. Don and Kevin.